My first video in Florida for the channel, Just Your Average Joe. And I thought, planning it out, it would be about the Blue Angel, about writing. No. Then I thought, maybe the setup, right? Now I got a whole setup. Got my flag up, ready to go. That'll be the first video. No. My daughter, God bless her, I love her. I love you, princess. Decided to challenge me, see if it's possible. So my very first video in Florida, where it's right now a gorgeous 76 degrees. And it's Halloween in a few days. My first video in Florida. I promise you, just hang in with me, stay with me. I will be doing videos about the brand that I love, about writing. It's coming, it's coming. But in having a garage, finally being able to place to have all my tools, and it was the little thing that made me get giddy. And I was showing my kids through pictures and text, and my daughter wanted me to talk about it. Challenged me that you can't make a YouTube video about a bucket. A bucket. Let's talk about the bucket. So what can I do with my bucket? Well, it's a decor. It's a seat. It's a drum. If I could get it on. It is now a footrest, an ottoman. On those nights you don't want to go in the house and wake everyone up to pee. You like Guns N' Roses? I am now Buckethead. And this is being put on the internet for everyone to watch and realize what the hell is going on with America this day. Your bucket is a multi-purpose tool. With great power comes great responsibility. I know, don't forget about the mess over there. We're still unpacking. But I know everybody watched, because of what I'm doing with the bike and the things I'm going to be doing to it. And how much I love riding. I mean, that's what this channel is about. Some of you guys were intimidated by the culture or even contemplating it, or what the heck does another average guy do, that's not a mechanic or whatnot. I will be doing those, but we're going to discuss the infamous bucket. So this bucket is a symbol to me. I know it sounds really petty, really, but to me it represents just the idea that I'm now living in Florida and my multi-purpose bucket. I don't know what me and my bucket may do. We may just sit on the couch and hang out. My very first video in Florida is about my bucket. My daughter didn't think I could do it. Little did she know how much of a meaning this was, to where I could actually discuss briefly why this is so important. Why to me it meant something. And I didn't have duct tape on there. Again, I don't want one of my kids marching down the street yelling at me with a bat and pitchforks and, we're a blue family. It's just a bucket. But see, even with her, this bucket triggered something. You just tuned in on my first video in Florida, and I just spent a little time with you talking about my bucket. It's clean. There's about 5-10 minutes of your life you never get back, so please forgive me. I will be putting other content up, and I'm hoping that it's more entertaining. But there you go. My first video in Florida. About a bucket.